Guys, now I am going down. If you can see why I'm not focusing. Yes, thank you. Going downstairs to edit my videos. Going to my husband's study and start editing. Sorry about the light. Let me turn you around to see the house. Are you like me when after the Christmas and New Year, when the things get so quiet again and the house, you know, you feel that there is nothing there. However, this is all year long, but always after the Christmas and New Year, you feel that everything quiet. Yeah, even the kitchen. I need to unload my dishwasher. Let me take the water with me. It's very important. Very important. And anyway, I'm going down now. Let me show you down. Yeah, everything now it's quiet. It's cleaner, but empty, 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 right? So you cannot have all year long the Christmas, right? You can't. Here we are. Let me turn on the lights. Now I'm going to work. I will see you later. Bye. Just turkey burger and salad. Big bowl of salad, and I'm still editing. I'm going down to finish my editing. I thought I will show you my salad. It's not fancy, but it has pomegranate, it has almond, it has very good stuff. No oil, I put only balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. And bon appetit. Bye.